Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add location to Snapchat story. So if you also want to add location to Snapchat story, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open Snapchat application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So you might want to add location to the Snapchat story. Doing it is very simple. First of all you have to do is add the story. In order to add the story, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your account. You'll be able to see options like my account and public profile over here. Over here, you'll be able to find this section for my stories. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option add to my story. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the photo that you want to add to the story. Or you can also add the video if you want. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to add the story now. In this story, you'll be able to add a sound. Also, you'll be able to add stickers and text. If you want to add the location, it is very simple. All you have to do is look at right. Over here, you'll be able to see several icons. At third, you'll be able to see this kind of icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, this kind of interface will open up. Here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for mention, sounds, location, question, poll, etc. You can add any of these options. If you want to add the location, all you have to do is tap on the location option that you can see at third. Now from here, you'll be able to add the location. Simply tap on the search bar. After that, what you have to do is type in the location that you want to add. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on the place that you want to add as location. Now you can see over here the location will be added. You can tap on it. Now the way of displaying the location will be changed. Tap on it again. You can see over here it will change again. Keep tapping until you find the one that you like. You can also increase the size if you want. Place 2 fingers on the location and simply increase the size. Now you can see over here the location will be added. Now you can add this to the story. Simply tap on the option My Story. Now you can see over here your story has been added. You can see the story over here. Simply tap on it. Now in this story you can see the location over here. So that is how you add location to Snapchat story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.